Number 4. Braun All-in-One Style Kit. Series 9. This 13-in-1 powerhouse is your one-stop shop for all things grooming. From trimming and detailing to contouring, fading, body grooming, precision shaving, and trimming your ears and nose. The Pro Wheel on this kit offers an impressive 40 length settings in 0.02 steps, and Pro Lock to ensure your selection stays in place. With beard and hair combs included, you can achieve lengths from 0.5 mm to 20 mm with ease. This level of versatility and precision is unmatched in the market. The ProBlade technology on the Braun Series 9 ensures efficient, gentle grooming with every stroke. Whether you're tackling tricky areas or larger surfaces, you can expect great finishes and comfortable grooming every time. Plus, the AutoSense technology adapts to any hair type, length, or thickness for effortless styling. One of the standout features of the Braun Series 9 is its powerful lithium-ion battery, offering an impressive 100-minute cordless runtime. The lifetime sharp blades, charging stand, and premium storage case add to the durability and convenience of this kit. One small drawback is that some users may find the different attachments a bit overwhelming at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll never look back. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best all-in-one grooming solution that delivers professional results every time, the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 9 is the one for you. Check it out now and revolutionize your grooming routine. Still searching for the perfect beard trimmer? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed.